In this video, I'll show you how you can display selected filters as GIFs using Widget, Elementor, Gutenberg, and Shortcodes. Let's start with Widget. Go to Dashboard. From Appearance, click Widget. Now click on WooCommerce sidebar. Click the plus icon to add a widget. In search bar, type Dynamic AJAX. This is our plugin. Click on it and then click Update. Now visit the shop page and reload the page. You can see our plugin has been added to the left sidebar. Now we will add selected filter at the top of our product section. Now let's go back to widgets and click on WooCommerce archive content. Click the plus icon and search for Dynamic AJAX. Now add our filter. On the right side, you will see filter settings. Change the filter tab to selected. Now click Update and reload the shop page. Now let's filter with 5-star rating. You can see that the selected filter is displaying as GIFs at the top of the product section. You can remove the filter from either side. That's how you can add selected filter to your shop page using Widget. Now we will add the selected filter using Elementor. Go back to Dashboard and hover at plus icon. Click Page to create a new page. Let's rename the page Selected Filter with Elementor. Now click Edit with Elementor. Now click the plus icon to choose a suitable layout. I'm selecting the structure. In the right column, click the plus icon. Search for products. Then drag and drop the product widget here. Now in the left column, click the plus icon and search for Dynamic AJAX. This is our filter plugin. Drag and drop it into the left column. Now click Add Element. Again search for Dynamic AJAX. Now drag the Dynamic AJAX filter and drop it at the top of product section. Now from the filter option, change the filter type to selected filters. Now click Publish. Click the eye icon to view the page. Now let's filter using category and tags. At the top of the product section, you can see the selected filter are displaying as GIFs. Now we will add the selected filter using block editor. Go back to Dashboard, hover over New and click Page to create a new page. Let's rename the page Selected Filter with Gutenberg block editor. Now click the plus icon to add a block. Search for column and click on it. Now choose a layout for your page. Now set the width for better view. Left to 25% and right column 75%. Now at the right column, click the plus icon to add a block. Search for Shortcode. To add product, paste the product codes here. Now at the left column, click the plus icon to add the filter. Search for Dynamic AJAX. Here is our filter. Click on it. Now to add the chips or active widget above the product section, click the plus icon again. Search for Dynamic AJAX and drag and drop it above the product section. You can also remove the search text and scroll down. Under the Plugincy category, you'll see all our available blocks. You can also add or filter directly from here. Now let's select this filter. On the right side, you will see filter settings. Change the filter type to selected. Now click publish. Again publish. Now click view page. Now filter using any category. See at the top of the product section, selected filter are displayed as chips. Now we will display the selected filter using shortcodes. For this example, I am using Divi theme and Divi builder. So let's activate the theme. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's hover over new and click page to create a new page. Here click use Divi builder. Let's select build from scratch. So click start building. Choose a layout. And now search for code module. Click on it. Go to plugin dashboard. On the right side, you will find shortcodes for displaying filters. To display the full filter, copy the shortcode and paste it here. Since we want the filter on the left side, let's remove the top view option and then click Save Changes. Now in the right column, click plus icon and search for code module again. Now go back to plugin dashboard and copy the selected filter shortcode. Then paste it here. Click Save Changes. Now at the right side below, click the plus icon to add products. Search for again code module. Then paste the product shortcode. Click Publish. Then click Exit Visual Builder. Click Save and Exit. Now let's filter with 5-star rating and with any category. You can see the selected filters displayed above the product section. You can remove the filters from either side. That's how you can add chips or active widget using Widget, Elementor, Gutenberg and shortcodes.